Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Fiverr app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the app store specific to your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Fiverr. Press the search icon to begin the search. Look for the Fiverr app in the search results. Check that the app is developed by Fiverr International Ltd. Tap on the Fiverr app to open its details page. Next, look for the Install button. On iPhones, this may appear as a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on Install to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once downloaded, locate the Fiverr app on your home screen. Tap on the Fiverr app icon to open it. Allow any necessary permissions that the app may request. This may include access to notifications or your location. After granting permissions, you will be directed to the login or sign up page. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If you're a new user, select the option to sign up. Fill in the required information to create your account. Follow any additional prompts to complete the registration process. Once logged in, you can begin exploring the Fiverr app. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its features. You're now ready to start using Fiverr on your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.